Hey, it's Wayne Carini from Chasing Classic Cars, and I wanted to talk to you today about Advantage lifts. I own about 8 or 9 of these lifts, and they're fabulous, but I ran out of room at my shop and in my barn for storing cars. I just bought this beautiful Starliner coupe, and I wanted a place to store it. And so I called the company. I got an Advantage lift. The experts came in and installed it. Did a perfect job installing it. And today I'm a happy customer. I'm standing in my garage at my house. I've got my beautiful Starliner coupe on the top. I've got my Audi RS6 Avant station wagon on the bottom. And still there's room for my wife's golf cart. I couldn't be happier. I built this garage with this in mind. We built the house about 7 years ago, and my dream has finally come true. Advantage lifts are built so strong and so well that I could trust my Audi underneath this heavy Ford on top. You got to check it out yourself. Advantage lifts, they're the best lifts made in the whole world.